Shriram Ambulance, trusted ICU ventilator services in Haridwar. 24/7 ICU ventilator service available. Emergency ICU ambulance on standby. Rapid response for critical patients. Modern ventilator ambulances in Haridwar. Dependable ICU emergency transport service. Professional medical team on board. Leading ambulance service in Haridwar. Fast and safe patient transfers. Please like, share and subscribe Shriram Ambulance YouTube channel.